Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a prank on my brother. He's right there on the couch watching weird stuff. But Xavier. Yeah. So we're gonna put water on my hand. Yeah, we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna tell him that it's a prank. So he's gonna hide the camera. He's gonna be with the camera hiding. But let's get it! Videotape me now.
I know that she loves when
I'm sorry. No, bro. It's a prank, bro. Don't get serious. It's a prank! It's a prank!
And we know all these guys who got through.
Oh my god. Bro, it was a freaking prank. And he freaking ran at us, bro. He literally ran at us. He freaking ran at us. He tried to fight us. Yeah, guys. But if you guys enjoyed that video, that little short video, like it up, subscribe, hit that bell, comment down below, and yeah.